The main psychological purpose is building of smiling personality by teaching learning with pleasure.
Contents. Psychological purposes. Chapter 3. Psychological purposes.
The main psychological purpose is to create a smiling personality who feels and creates intellectual satisfaction for him or her and people around by teaching and learning in multiple ways.
We should not forget to be always smiling. He or she can use even the childish method trial error and would study and apply alone and or in a group his or her ideas. The ideal mentor is also disciple in the same time. The ideal personality created by this book would teach what you've learned to another person. The aspirational goal is to make smiling disciples, mentors, who make smiling disciples.
A disciple should be helped to help himself and to try to help other persons to become disciples and mentors like him, her.
The best method can be a combination of methods of teaching learning